Hello everyone, and welcome back to Nomadic Journal, where we embark on exciting journeys and explore fascinating destinations. Today, join me as we take a virtual walk through the enchanting Cervantes Park in Barcelona. Get ready to immerse yourself in its natural beauty, rich history, breathtaking biodiversity, captivating landscapes, and artistic treasures. Cervantes Park is a true gem nestled in Barcelona. It offers a serene and picturesque setting, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers and explorers alike. The park boasts magnificent open green spaces, inviting paths, and a gentle slope, providing an ideal environment for walkers, sports enthusiasts, cyclists, and runners. This is an ideal spot for anyone who wants to sunbathe during the summer or make the most of the winter sunshine. There is also a picnic area nearby, shaded by a pine tree that is often used for Tai Chi. Before we dive deeper into the park, let's take a moment to discover the rich history of Cervantes Park. Did you know that Cervantes Park sits on land once occupied by the Estela Torrent, which used to collect water flowing from the summit of Sant Pere Martir? Over time, this land was transformed into the magnificent park we see today, attracting visitors from around the world. Barcelona has a long-standing association with roses, and this park has played its part. In the late 1980s, open-cut rose competitions were held in the park's rose garden, but unfortunately, the tradition faded over time. However, in the early 21st century, the Barcelona International New Roses competition was established, rejuvenating the city's relationship with roses and becoming a showcase for new creations worldwide. Now, let's explore the remarkable biodiversity that flourishes within Cervantes Park. As we meander through the park, we encounter a rich tapestry of plant and tree species. Towering trees, such as Siberian elms, tepu trees, and lime trees, grace the landscape, complemented by the presence of stone pines, Aleppo pines, Himalayan cedars, and other magnificent specimens. This harmonious blend of flora creates a vibrant and captivating environment. The meticulous landscaping and thoughtful design of Cervantes Park contribute to its enchanting ambience. The park's rose garden, the crown jewel of Cervantes Park, beckons with its captivating beauty. Imagine strolling through a botanical journey, traveling across continents through the diverse collection of rose bushes. The carefully arranged parterres, adorned with lush grass and charming arcades, invite you to explore and intimately connect with the roses. Cervantes Park is a sanctuary where nature's splendor intertwines with historical significance, offering a serene escape from the bustling city. Whether you're seeking a leisurely walk, a moment of contemplation, or a chance to immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of flora, this park has something to offer for everyone. Let's lose ourselves in the captivating beauty and fragrant aromas of the rose garden. Cervantes Park is not only a feast for the senses in terms of nature but also a showcase of art and architectural elements. Sculptures like the twin rhombuses by Andrew Alfaro add a touch of artistic elegance to the park, enhancing its overall allure. The sculpture consists of two rhombus-shaped structures positioned in such a way that they appear intertwined. The precise angles and clean lines of the sculpture create an intriguing visual effect, engaging viewers and inviting them to explore the relationship between the shapes. Before we conclude our journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the beauty and tranquility of Cervantes Park. As we continue our walk through Cervantes Park, we come across a significant area that holds a special meaning. The Rose Garden, beautifully blooming with thousands of roses, has a deeper purpose. It was inaugurated as a tribute to the memory of the 14 roses. The 14 roses represent the 13 young women who were tragically executed in Madrid in August 1939 by the Franco regime. And an anonymous rose has been added to represent all the women who were persecuted, victimized, imprisoned, and executed during the post-war period. Symbolically, the 14th rose honors all the women who suffered during this dark chapter in history. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour of Cervantes Park. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of its rich history, biodiversity, captivating landscapes, and artistic features. Don't forget to subscribe to Nomadic Journal for more exciting travel adventures. Until next time, and keep exploring the world.